celebrate the return of the Tonic Tangerine die cutting machine, we've put together 6 wonderful bundles for you that will go perfectly with your brand new machine. So let's find out what those bundles are. First up, we've got some layering die basics for you at 50% off. Next, we've got a selection of sentiment starter die sets and they're at 50% off. We've got a selection of essential die cutting tools at 50% off. We've got a mega bundle for you of adhesives at 30% off. We've got a Craft Perfect Classic card bundle and that's available for you at 40% off. And finally, we have a Classic Card Blanks bundle at 30% off. These bundles will be available from Friday at midnight all the way until Monday at 4 p.m. So get some of these bundles to go perfectly with your brand new Tonic Tangerine, which is now back in stock on the Tonic Studio store.